Yo, no. Welcome back everybody. This week we have a highly requested video and we're servicing the Ep3. It's not a full service, just oil filter, spark plugs and cabin filter. I'm going to get some gearbox fluid and oil filter and I'll just do two separate videos on them because they're quite specialised videos, if you know what I mean. Right, so we've got some Castrol Edge 5W40, fully synthetic, Hamp oil filter, some NGK Iridium spark plugs, and some eBay cabin filter. Let's get into it. So first thing you're going to want to do is find a suitable container to drain your oil into. Mine I've just got a bucket, which obviously don't fit under there, so I've got to butcher it.
That's a lot of damage!
That's well strong. Didn't think this through. So we're under the car now and it is absolutely freezing cold as well. Let me just picture that for you. Yeah, it's freezing. Here is your engine oil sump drain plug. So that's where we're going to drain it from. And it's easier to access from the front of the car instead of the side. And we've got our half bucket here, which fits perfectly. So let's undo this bolt. I don't know which size it is yet. That is to be confirmed. Right, so we're going to undo it now. Jesus fuck. I need the bucket. And there it is.
Yummy, yum, yum.
So we're going to let that drain out for a couple minutes, then we're going to drop the jack on just so it's flat and the bucket is still there, just to drain any of this like sitting around the sides here or anything. And then yeah, we'll jack it up, get the oil filter out and all that. So now we've got the car down, it's draining. You want to take the oil filler cap off, just to let some air through as well. Just to make sure you get all of that oil out. So while we've got the oil draining, we're now going to take the spark plug cover off, coil packs out, change the spark plugs over. This is going to be a right pain in the arse because we ain't got magnetic tools, so we've got to try and like jimmy them to the side and lock them up and stuff, you know. So yeah, my rocker cover is jank. I need to get rid of this spark plug cover because it's cracked there and there. Yeah, it's just. I thought that was your roll car then, Mersh. Oh, there's still so much to the engine bay that I've got to do, but it will get there slowly. Oh yeah, and I actually lost the proper bolt, so I'm just using like screw fix 10mm nuts. So now we've got the spark plug cover off. Why is this just locked up? There we go. I'm losing my mind. Just FYI, they shouldn't be that tight. Doesn't matter. Does not matter.
He's taking the coil packs out. Because he actually hasn't said it yet.
Oh, we're not?
No.
Coil pack's coming out. So the spark plugs are a 16mm bit, and luckily with my set it came with a deep bit, 16mm. So they just must have known. Ep3 spark plugs are 16mm. So yeah. Oh, it's gonna be so awkward to get out.
Yeah, come on, they're going to be tight.
Jesus.
You reckon they're going to be fucking well loose?
Yeah. I don't really know what I was expecting. I've never done spark plugs.
He's losing his spark plug virginity. You then want to spend the next half an hour fiddling about trying to get your spark plugs out, which I'm going to let him do.
Should we just go halving them by a magnetic bit? So I've got the spark plugs out now. They're not in too bad condition, but they did need to be done. Because like they're a bit black around the edges. And then, yeah, that's our new ones.
All spark
Let's
plugs
get them in.
back in. It's going to go through and do them all up. So they're at least tight.
Then I'll go around and nip them up as well afterwards.
Then it's coil packs back in.
Spark plug cover back on, and then we can go
You
back
have
under
to plug the spark. You have to plug the coil packs.
Oh, obviously, but that just comes back. That just comes into putting the plugs back in. Coil packs.
And then spark plug cover back on, then that's done.
Then we're going back under the car. Yay!
We're going to get back underneath the car and check on the oil situation.
Oh. So we jacked the car back up and checked the oil, and it's still trickling out a little bit. So I'm just going to leave that for another 10-20 minutes or so. So while we're waiting, might as well get the cabin filter done. So yeah, first thing I'll do is just walk your glove box out, and then come here. There's a little tab here. You just flick that up, then this front cover comes off, and then that releases your first air filter. Oh my god, it's well long. Ugh. It's smegged all in my car. And then your second air filter. I don't know how to get to the second one. Yeah, innit? I know why my heaters weren't doing so well now. Oh, then the second one just slides across and comes out. These old, these new. Yeah, these are grim. And I'm surprised I'm still breathing thoroughly. Probably why my asthma's bad. Jesus. So yeah, with them, you whop them out of it. Then the little airflow arrow. Yeah, little airflow arrow. Yeah. Shout out to Comline as well. These go down in the bracket, and yeah, that's that. A little crunchy sound there. Diesels. Well, I hate diesels. There's a little hook in these that I've got two hooks, and they've got a hook into the edges. I'm just making sure I get it right. Typical Corsa picking up young girls as well. Well, hey, we got one. No, we haven't. Yeah. Right, so the oil is nearly stopped dripping, so I'm just gonna whop the half bucket out, and I've got to dip my hand around to get the plug, whop the plug back in, somehow try and get that oil filter out without an actual tool, and then yeah, change the oil filter, and then the service for today is complete. So let's get this bucket out. Oh my god. Ah, it's stuck. done it perfectly.
It's one full boy. Look at me.
Have I really got to put my hand in that? Alright, so yeah, it's time to get the sump plug out. Oh, I don't want to do this. Oh.
Or just don't drop your sump plug. Oh.
Got it! That is disgusting. It's because I can't get it straight. Oh! Oh!
There's gonna be oil in there.
I know!
There's no other way.
Ah! Ah! Oh, it's on my face.
Ollie, get a paper towel. Ollie, seriously. Paper towel. Oh shit, that's fucking low.
It's on my face. Where is it?
What do you mean, where is it?
I can't feel it.
Oh, for fuck's
Oh, it's there. Jesus!
Yeah, it's got quite a lot of oil
So
in
now
it.
we've got the old oil filter out, which is over there all mangled up. We've got the new one, it's just a hemp oil filter, and we're just about to prime it now with some fresh 5W40. So you just want to put a little bit, oh, too much, and then just rub it around the seal, around the holes, make sure you got everywhere. Then you pour a little bit in the middle. Bit too much, but that'll do. Oh, I can feel it.
Don't cross-thread it.
I'm trying not to. Just screwing the new oil filter in.
BMW is well easy in this.
I know. Just gonna do it up like really hand tight. Right, that's as tight as I can go. Do you reckon that'll do it?
Can you get the mold whips on it or not?
No, you can't get anything on it.
Is it hand tight?
Yeah, well that's oily hand tight.
How many turns after it hit the gasket?
Yeah, I cannot physically get any more on that.
Fine then.
Yeah. Alright, that's the oil filter changed. So yeah, let's just dump this whole thing in. Whoa!
Ollie, what the fuck?
Oh, it sounds like me when I'm down in Fanta.
Fresh new juice.
New VTEC juice. So that is how you mainly service an Ep3 Type R, like all the main service bits. Yeah, like I said at the start of this video, I'm going to get some gearbox oil and a new fuel filter, but they're going to be like their own kind of videos because they're quite just videos. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and yeah, just like, subscribe, and holler, and yeah, mad. Hello, yes, we are back with our, don't really know how to say what this is, but it's kind of like just bringing you up to speed, what our plans are, what we've done already, 2019, sick year, let's get into it. So obviously we're starting off with the better car.